In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-reframe in CapCut. Auto-reframe is a smart tool that keeps your subject centered as the video plays, which is perfect when you're repurposing a horizontal clip for vertical platforms, or when your camera work is a little loose and you want a cleaner, more professional look. I'll walk you through it from start to finish and share a few tips to get the best results, all without adding extra steps. Start by opening CapCut on your computer or in your browser. Give the app a moment to load your workspace so all the editing panels and timeline are visible. If you're returning to an existing project, make sure it's open and that you can see your timeline. Next, add your video. You can import your file and then drag it onto the timeline, or open a project where the clip is already placed. Let the clip fully load so playback is smooth. If you have multiple clips, select the one you want to reframe so CapCut knows which piece to analyze. With the clip selected, look to the editing panel and go to the Basic section. This is where CapCut groups your fundamental video controls. If you don't see Basic at first, make sure the Video tab is active and the clip is highlighted, not the overall timeline. Now click Auto Reframe. CapCut will analyze the footage, tracking faces and prominent motion to keep the most important subject in view. You might see a short progress indicator while it works. When it finishes, play the clip to preview the automatic framing. You should notice the camera now seems to subtly pan and follow the action, even though it's all happening digitally. Finally, make any needed adjustments. If your version shows options like subject priority or tracking strength, choose the one that best matches your clip. Scrub through and watch for moments where the frame drifts or crops too tightly. If that happens, pause, drag the focus area in the preview to recenter, and let the tracking continue from there. For fast moves, increase the follow strength or speed so the frame catches up. For calmer scenes, easing it down can reduce jitter. In wide scenes or group shots, decide who or what should stay centered and nudge the frame accordingly. Remember that reframing effectively crops the image, so keep important text or graphics inside safe margins. Good lighting and clear contrast help the tracker lock on, and steady footage generally reframes more cleanly. That's it! Open CapCut, add your video, go to Basic, click Auto Reframe, and fine-tune until it looks right. With these adjustments, your footage will stay focused and platform-ready in just a few minutes.